Welcome to One Pizza Too Many cooking and unboxing videos.
Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. One Pizza Too Many cooking and unboxing videos, and today I'm dead excited to be unboxing this Inkbird temperature probe. And you're thinking, why unbox the temperature probe? Well, I'll tell you why. I saw this on a Facebook group. It came up on another Amazon deal, and basically thought that's too good to miss. Now, I already have the Inkbird 4 probe thermometer, which I use a lot in some of the other cooking videos you might have seen, and I thought I'm not going to miss a chance to get one of these whilst it was on offer. Now, you can see next to me, bought it from Amazon, and how much I paid. It was around the £27 to £30 mark, and that represented fairly good value when you consider other companies, branded companies, charge upwards of £50 for these units. A lot of them are made in China. This is no exception, and generally the ones that are made in China retail on Amazon for about a tenner. However, the main difference is this one, when I move in closer, the temperature range on this is really impressive. So if you like what you see, make sure you are staying tuned to the channel by subscribing, and you are hitting that bell for notifications of when I release more content. So let's move you in and we'll get the unboxing underway. So first of all, as you can see, it comes in a cardboard box, and on the back it's got a little Inkbird QR code, and it does say it's made in China and designed by Inkbird. It is a laser product, so it has got a warning about lasers, and it just says Inkbird Plus infrared thermometer, and you've got options of green and red, and this is the green model, as the sticker on this side shows. Now, the temperature range that I was just talking about is interesting because it is really good. So it's minus 50 degrees Celsius to 750 degrees Celsius. So that is massive, especially when these generally will go sort of minus 20 to 250 to 300. So really good. So let's get it open. First of all, I'm just going to cut the tape, and you'll see straight away that it comes in a nice little case with a belt holster, so if you're into your barbecue with your belt and all your tools on you, this is perfect. And then there we have the thermometer itself, the actual unit. The screen, we've got mode, we've got up and down arrows, we've got whether you want the laser to be shooting out or not, and it says Inkbird, and it says Ink IF, so infrared, and the T for thermometer 03. It's got the temperature range that I've just mentioned again, and again on this side it actually tells you the distance or ideal distance that you want to be shooting. So it's ideally anywhere between 36 centimeters and 70 centimeters. That is the distance that you want to be when you are checking the temperature with something using this thermometer. Now let's have a look at the size. So size wise, so you'll see the handle to the top is 17 centimeters. The longest sort of length of the unit, we go corner to corner, is 14.5 centimeters, and the width is just under 5 centimeters, and the screen is 5 centimeters. So nice size. Then the battery compartment opens nice and easily like that, and if I get the battery, we will fit the battery into it. So simple enough, and then the battery just slides into the handle, making sure you get the wires in, and it fits quite low, like that, and then that just closes, so you've then got the grip of the gun and the trigger, and you'll hear the noise, and that's as I'm pressing and then releasing. So as you release, it makes the noise, and you can see that it reads the temperature of this bench, and it's coming out at 24.6 degrees, even in this crazy wind that we've got going on. Very nice. So if I come around so I can see the controls whilst I'm showing you, so you will see at the top there's the triangle that says the laser is shooting, and it giving you the temperature, and then you can press the middle button if you want to switch the laser off. I like it on because I like to actually see what I'm pointing at. Mode, so you got minimum, average, and maximum, and you've also got up and down for going through the menus as well. So again, nice simple device to use, and should give you good results, especially if you're cooking barbecue and pizza. So the next thing we want to do with this, we need to make sure that this is calibrated right. So we are going to bring some water to the boil, because we all know that boiling water is 100 degrees, and this unit should be within 1 to 2 degrees either side of 100. So I'm looking at either 98 to 102 degrees. So let's see how it does. Okay, so you'll see that the water is really boiling away now. I'm going to get the temperature, I'm going to point it straight underneath. And we are at 101. So you can see, and it is within 1.5 degrees of the 100. So you know that that is a true reading. It's a good reading. So there we have it, everyone. The Inkbird infrared thermometer. I think it's well worth the price tag, even when it's not on offer. I've used quite a few of these, and it is fairly well built. The only downfall for me is the battery compartment can be quite fiddly to get the battery in and out, but apart from that, it's going to be the perfect companion for my Skillcraft pizza oven. Make sure you check out the unboxing video just above me. Also, if you're interested in your Kamados, again, for cooking with, making sure that stone temperatures, coals are up to temperature. Obviously you wouldn't use this for checking cooked food temperature, because for that you'd need a actual probe that inserts into the centre of the food, to the thickest part. But just for general barbecue pizza cooking, a great little handy bit of kit to have on your belt, literally. Anyway, thanks for watching, everyone. Make sure you are subscribing to the channel and hitting that notifications bell so you don't miss any new content I release. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you again very soon.
One pizza too many.